Want to unlock ultimate online shopping security right from your iPhone with Capital One's virtual card? First, open the Capital One mobile app on your iPhone and log into your account. Ensuring you're logged in is the crucial first step to accessing this fantastic feature. Once you're in, navigate to the specific credit card you'd like to generate a virtual card for. You'll typically find an option for account details or card services associated with that card. Look for the virtual card number section or an option to generate virtual card. This might be under a manage card or security menu within your selected card's details. Tap on it and follow the prompts to generate your new virtual card number. Capital One will instantly create a unique number, expiration date, and CVV for you to use. Now, when you're shopping online, simply copy these virtual card details. They function just like your physical card details, but they're entirely separate from your primary card number. Paste the virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV into the payment fields at checkout. This protects your main card information from potential breaches, making your online transactions much safer. And that's it. You've successfully used a Capital One virtual card on your iPhone. It's a simple, secure, and convenient way to shop online, giving you peace of mind every time you click purchase.